Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. It's early right now. It's 6 o'clock on the dot. Yeah, guys, I'm heading out. I'm gonna go clean the salon real quick. Make sure everything is good down there. It's super, super early. There's no one on the road. There's a one car coming right here, but yeah. Yeah, guys, so it's a beautiful morning. Yesterday was kind of bleaky, rainy, on and off. Still a holiday weekend. Everybody's, here for the weekend or gone for the weekend. It's 4th of July weekend. It's kind of, don't mind the darkness, guys. It's just super early. It's 6 o'clock. The sun, the daylight is just coming out. But I wanted to jump on here real quick. Today's gonna be a full day. We got a surprise today. I'm going out of town. Not gonna say where I'm going, but I'm just gonna vlog the whole thing. So yeah. This week was, I got a lot done this week. Just to wrap it up, this week we got our sinks, took them over to Pepper's, blocked out the windows, stuff like that. I got to purchase everything for all the sinks, the mop sinks, veggie sinks, hand wash sinks, all those things was I got all of them and got them in the space. Test fitted them and everything inside there. We do have to make some changes in terms of the mop sink. I'm gonna try and move everything over. So yeah, all that's done. I'm just waiting on the corrections now on the plans. Once I get the corrections together, then I could turn them in, resubmit them. I'm gonna get with the architect. I know it's a holiday today, so maybe on Monday I'll get with the architect. See if he has any changes, if he had made the changes and resubmitted it. Because his part of it, all he has to do is just resubmit it. He don't have to give them to me or anything. Just once he makes the changes, then he just resubmit it electronically to the county. So I'm just gonna confirm with him, see if he has any issues with any of the changes. He has a list of everything that needs to be changed on there, so hopefully he hasn't reached out to me, so hopefully he has everything covered. If there was something that he need to speak to me about, then I would have heard from him by now. Yeah, so I'm here. It's early. I'm heading over to the salon real quick. See, the sun is coming out. You got the sun's peeking out on the clouds over there. You may not see it well, but but yeah, guys, I'm gonna head down salon. I'm gonna check back in. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys take it easy this weekend. Don't get any issues this weekend. Be safe out there. It's still a holiday weekend. We have a lot of parties over here, and just be careful out there on the streets. Fireworks. There was a lot of fireworks last night as well. Friday. Thursday was 4th of July, so we had a lot of fireworks 4th of July, and then Friday, the day after, there was a lot of fireworks as well last night. So I only hope everybody was safe. There was no accidents. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Be safe, and I'll check back in once I get to the salon. Alright, guys, so I'm here at the salon, but I forgot the garbage bags, guys. So I'm gonna head back over to the house real quick and then, you know, come and change it out. Yeah, the I forgot the garbage bag, and the, just like air fresheners and stuff like that. I put them, they were on the back of the car in the garage, and I put them right there so I wouldn't forget it, and I walked right out and passed them. So no biggie, I'm just gonna head over there and grab it and come back. No problem. No problem. Yeah, so see, it's much brighter now. We're at the salon right there. That's the salon, lifestyle salon, sweet just brunch, Marlo's Tavern. We over there. Just in case you guys don't know what it looks like. Let me catch this light, guys. It's on green, so we don't want to be stuck at this light for a while. But yeah, salon is cleaned. Everything is, you know, it wasn't dirty. Just the bathroom needs mopping and change out the garbage. But then I left the garbage bag. So, and that was the last one. There was no more. So I'm just gonna head over and grab the garbage can, come back and change it, and then I'm done with the salon for the day. But yeah, it's a nice morning. It's gonna be sunny. It is not hot, but you could know it's gonna be a hot day. It's kind of cool, but it's gonna be a hot day. Once the sun come out, it's gonna be crazy. All right, guys. Day started 6 a.m. Saturday. You know, 2 days after July, 4th of July. So they still celebrating, but I'm up working. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so see, I left these in the garbage bags, so let's change the garbage.
Everybody, you need to figure out which kind of type you are and prepare. That's when you can start to notice some big changes in your health. If you feel sluggish, bloated, or gassy after.
Alright, so I got the bags. So I'm just gonna run back real quick and change the garbage, put the bags up, and then come on back. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Let me put my seatbelts on, guys. Seatbelts. Alright. Soda. Get soda, guys. Guess what I did, guys? Guys, we're at the airport. Where we are going? I'm not telling you. Not yet. Take it a flight.
A as in Alpha.
The train. In the train, you know.
Course A as in Atlanta. You need it. Details
Joe's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you. A layover presents an opportunity to shop, dine, and explore.
So we're in at the train
You're here, and we hope to see
at
you
the
again
airport,
soon.
terminal train. Let's take a little trip.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Train empty, look like a way alone to take Frontier up that is. Wait. I want to go on. Watch it, all the car they empty.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on.
Oh,
This
I'm
train
going.
is departing.
Somebody please
The
tell
next
me why
stop
everybody
is for VACAY.
come off of this
As in
terminal.
Echo.
And we alone to take Frontier. Nobody not take Frontier. Wait.
Please
Oh,
hold
they
on.
still don't know
This
where
train
we
is
yet.
stopping. Please collect your belongings
And now
and watch
person
your
up
step
on
as
what
you
we
exit.
So telling her do. People man they look rich. I walk to airport with them heel back. Watch it. Heel back dry yo. Man heel back dry. I go to people in airport. I have to go pull over. I have to go pull over and put some lotion on the foot. Can't look so. Hey, you have to right now just the pineapple more. Watch it. Oops, me no want to tell them yet. I shouldn't tell them in a vlog. Yeah, man. A long walk this doing man the walk yeah. 12 gates. And we're going to 2. So we're going to the end of the terminal. It's there a bathroom right there. So I need to piece up myself the blood tea. And from we come out from over the parking place. Oh, piss. And send them behind me, then if they're upstream now, a different thing. Make sure they're behind me. See them man well mask up. Maybe him sick, that's why I want him mask. At that thing, you see if the people were sick wear mask, then everybody else was good because the people went down sick, not supposed to have to suffer. And I wear mask when there's nothing wrong with them. So, you know. One nice pretty Frontier plane over there. So now a local section. Yeah, so just a pretty then just down at end. You pay less money, it's the Spirit down there. Frontier plane. You write down your license plate? Huh? 16. So there's just a touch a plate. Everybody has touched the plane before them. Going nice. I don't know why. I'll go look. You don't want to drop all your phone right or something?
Right here next to this piece of wood, right there. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm gonna have you put that in the open one for me, okay?
2F1. So we're in a first class. Watch out there right at the front of the plane. Man, they're in a first class. You can't talk to me. See that? No, you see what they say? Look, reserved. Check this, brother. Reserved people. Frontier, first class. Can't talk to it. And then in front of the plane. We don't have no TV though, no TV. No TV and we don't get no food, but that's still first class. No leg room. You see? Yeah man. Then you go around about there already. Have this mask. Stop the chatting. Just up my things.
One of those needs to go under your seat. And then if there's space, we'll put it up, okay?
Yes, my people, so where I leave the country, but still not telling me where I go. Till when I reach. It's a surprise. Surprise. Wherever I go down, I can probably tell, look, I'm doing a, what do you call this slide? Slides and pretty shots. What that mean? Yeah, man. Alright, we're going.
Down seat. If you're traveling with a larger roller bag, please place it in the overhead bin with the wheels and handles facing outward. Keep in mind the overhead bins are shared space and the bin directly above your seat is full and that bin is closed. You should use the next available space. At this point in the rear of the aircraft, you do need to use an open overhead bin towards the middle of the aircraft with space, as the bins in the rear of the aircraft are completely full at this time. If you are seeing an emergency exit road today, please review the exit road safety responsibilities on the back safety information card located in that seat back.
Say a prayer. Say a prayer. We did 10 million thousand miles in the sky.
Lieutenants, prepare for landing.
Airport.
On behalf of Frontier Airlines and your flight crew,
I
welcome.
never organized that. How far I'm gonna go out there now? Yeah, guys, so there, you know, one to go be at the airport.
Watching my vlog.
You see me? Yeah.
Come on,
We have to
come on,
get,
vlog.
you see it, we have to go on vlog and yeah. About to get the luggage now and then About to get the luggage. Or not start running.
What?
Alright. So we're doing at the shuttle area. All the different hotels in this area. Guys, we're in the Montego Bay Airport. We're in Montego Bay. See all of the bus them right. 4 days after the hurricane. Or everybody, all the buses them taking everybody to the location, to their hotels. Oh, I can't record right here. The music up here, guys. You hear the man? You hear the man? Yeah, you hear the man. Alright, my name not to answer you. My name not to answer you. You hear the man?
I want that brown bullshit they give everybody without the money.
But your money right, they get what you want.
My money always right. If the green right, my money right. If the green ain't right, my money ain't right.
Alright, you heard it. Yeah, do them. Life.
Life?
Yeah, we live in
Travel from Jamaica or travel from Brazil?
Atlanta, but I come from Jamaica.
So just
It never get affected too much from the hurricane, though.
if we didn't get affected, well, that most like electricity, because we don't
Yes, but everything up and running now, though.
we have like some services like it's a service restriction otherwise and stuff like that. I don't think that we have that offer. You know? Right, because we didn't get the full length of the
Right. Okay.
So first time you guys coming to this resort?
Yeah, first time I'm here.
Or you
I don't
are in
know if
Jamaica,
you know. Who, me?
Yeah.
From Swanstone.
So how How young are you?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
How kind of question that? What do you mean? Me look young.
They look young. Because
They not good something that?
Yes, they're good.
Yeah. A good something that. Yeah, man. Rum time. Guys, if you don't want to check out this place, it's nice. Them call it Ocean Eden Bay Hotel in Trelawney, Jamaica. Oh yeah. Real nice in here. I need to come check it out. Guys, I talk to my daughter, she try to figure out where I'm there. So I send her some clues to where I'm there, but she don't really know exactly where. She just not old enough to understand the clues I'm give her. But yeah, today's Saturday, guys. By now I know I actually took a flight out of the country. So I'm in beautiful Jamaica at Ocean Eden Bay. In Trelawney, flew into Montego Bay, so now we're in Ocean Eden, taking a break, you know. How was that? How was that sitting here?
The big old pool down there, so we want.
What are this more and go swimming at? Bless up my brother. What want to do? Not just dip on the scene. Dip on it. Me there, man. Me there for a couple of days. Someone wear David. David the name, right?
Yeah, where bro?
Clothes and skirt. Me like the socks me I look for me I say more some crispy socks, some white big man shoes. Crispy, yo. Yeah, everything good though. No never really anything there. Just a little breeze. Some place, yeah, I see some places. Some tree and power line, but not really. Yeah.
We expect worse. Let's have a few times.
Yeah, come there watch it closely, you know, cause me I said, damn, me whole of money gone on the drain, you know.
When you reach near it, you know.
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah.
Country are blessed, bro.
May I tell you? May I tell you? But they I say, boy, damn, the whole of money gone, cause you know what I say? Cause the little trip here is like, them not give about no money, you know. It could, you know, no money, not give about no money and fight if it did, you know, if it did come. Yeah. Plane ticket and everything and all go. Eh? I boss, this is I boss. This.
Man.
Yeah, man. Boss, so we shall give you a ocean view tomorrow, right? May I come look for you, Sansia, right? May I come look for you tomorrow, cause you say you give you ocean view tomorrow. And I chef this. And we have another lobster burger.
Yeah, man, what you pass it, man? Just place the order, man, already.
Just place the order and we get it. Room service.
Yeah, man.
Boy, man, see how
What you say? Alright. Bless up. Yeah, man. I want blessed country. Oh, so see the back view where they matter about. Watch it. Each room get a back and a front.
Yeah.
How we are say?
I see it, bro. Alright, let me go ahead first.
Yeah.
So, 42.
So I mean, we can't fit in there. Come push the thing in there sitting, brother. Where?
Smell like a fish with you.
No, the thing there, man. The brother will just carry the food. The chef.
No, not fish with sea. No.
The chef have fish. The chef don't know where the people in plate. But ask the chef, everything good. Don't leave your wallet in, brother. Make sure you have it, Yeah, make sure you have it. Cause with that, the trip done if you don't have that. You walk well if you wallet, you can't do that.
It was hard not bad. Oh.
Bro, take the VIP elevator run or something. Alright. Brother, yeah, they come from there. You know, can't come in there. Which room? Where we go?
2 and 5.
2 and 5? 2 and 5. So we got 2 first.
5 first.
5 first?
Yeah, because they're closer.
Alright. So 5 are closer and 5 are 5th floor. Brother, come in here, son of Dan. You're going to reach before you.
1.
So you reach before, we have to leave before now. Yo.
6 and 3.
So I don't say you live David or Mobile. Where you live? Where you live? Eh? Town you come from?
Yeah.
Kingston?
Yeah.
Or I know people say they come from Kingston, but not Kingston. A Spanish town I come from. I like gunman them.
Kingston 13 man.
Eh? Which part of Kingston exactly?
Very clear.
Yeah, but which part exactly? Like where?
Maxwell.
Oh, from Maxwell, okay. My brother have one place. This side.
With a blue light and a sound. No, right there, try again. Yeah. Push it right back.
A water like rain without place.
Like that, you know?
The hurricane water, man.
Look across to the other thing.
Make blows and skirt, mud.
Swing on the top floor.
So we get swing then?
Aye.
Oh yeah, see the view here, yo.
Look at the top floors.
Look at the views, guys.
Swings on the top left.
You have a swing.
Because they say it's too high.
Oh yeah, people might swing off of the edge.
Yeah, you know, so water for you like water.
4th floor, maybe they don't. It's too low. All-inclusive hotel in Jamaica. Ocean Eden Bay. They got a bowling alley in here. Pool, foosball.